Hey, it is Rue. Today we have a drink request. It is from right here, Sandra and Brian. Thank you for commenting on one of my previous videos. Today we are going to make a Gin Fizz. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, let's gather these ingredients. Gin, simple syrup, club soda, and a lemon. 4 items. It's tool time, let's go get them. Ice, a shaker, a rocks glass, a jigger, a bottle opener, and a knife. First step, what we're going to do is we're going to cut our lemon. But before we do that, let's roll it so we can get some more juice out of the lemon. Cut this in half. Another piece for the garnish. Take this jigger and squeeze 1 ounce of lemon juice into the jigger. Pour 1 ounce of lemon juice into the shaker. Open your bottle of gin. We will be pouring 1.5 ounce of gin into the shaker. Take the simple syrup and pour 1/3 of an ounce into the shaker. Pour a little bit of ice into the shaker. Close the lid. And it's shake time. Grab your rocks glass and pour the drink into the glass. It's soda time. Let's open the club soda here. The club soda is what will make the drink fizzy. So what I like to do is I like to put my thumb on top of the soda and drop it into the glass like this. And the last step is to garnish. And there you go, my friends, a Gin Fizz. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.